Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to sign into your TurboTax using your phone number or email address. So for that, please open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in myturbotax.intuit.com and that's going to take you to the official web page. And here you need to go ahead and select the way of signing in. So first thing, you can go ahead and tap on the sign in button, and then over here you could go ahead and enter in your email address and type in the password. If you don't remember your password, you can also tap on text a code to the following phone number or to your email address, and accordingly you'll receive a verification code which you have to enter in and you'll be able to access your account. However, if you're using a password, type in the one and then click the continue button, and it's going to take you to the home page stating that you've successfully signed in into your TurboTax account. So that's how you can sign in into your TurboTax using your phone number or email address. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.